is my HD and I'm so happy to see you guys this fantastic day. Here is Vivo V17 Pro versus OPPO Reno2. These are two great smartphones with pop-up selfie cameras, making you to have a full view display of the screen, and thus the two smartphones are good for gaming and for movie watching, as there won't be a notch or a punch hole design to affect the screen. OPPO Reno2 is slightly bigger than Vivo V17 Pro in terms of the length, and when it comes to display and software, both smartphones have so much in common. In short, you can hardly tell the differences when it comes to display and software. Both smartphones are well equipped and they are sharing the same specs when it comes to display and software. And in terms of the camera of both smartphones, these are two smartphones we can include among the best camera smartphones of 2019, with Vivo V17 Pro coming with the first ever dual selfie camera we've seen in 2019. And Vivo V17 Pro also comes with quad rear cameras with a lot of features like gyro EIS, image stabilization, panorama, HD, arrow mode, night mode, and all that. OPPO Reno2 on the other hand also comes with good camera features. However, it only comes with 16 megapixel selfie camera, which is no way compared to Vivo V17 Pro that comes with dual selfie camera of 8 megapixel and 32 megapixel. So when it comes to camera, Vivo V17 Pro wins. Now I'll show you a sample of the video I made with these two smartphones 48 megapixel rear cameras. The major difference you can see from this video, the one on the left hand side is the OPPO Reno2 and V17 Pro Vivo is on the right hand side. You can notice that OPPO Reno2 is a little bit saturated than the 17 Pro. So tell me which of these two cameras you prefer in the comment section. When it comes to the hardware, OPPO Reno2 wins. It comes with a faster and better performing chipset, which is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G, and is built on 8nm. And right on the screen you can see other comparison between both smartphones in terms of the hardware. When it comes to game processing unit, the GPU, OPPO Reno2 wins. It comes with more advanced Adreno 618. And in terms of the RAM size, both smartphones come with 8GB RAM size. However, the major differences comes in terms of the ROM, internal storage. We have two options, 128 and 256 when it comes to Reno2. And OPPO Reno2 also give you the chances to expand your internal storage with an SD card of up to 256GB size, something that the V17 Pro lacks. And both smartphones are now available in the international markets, with Vivo V17 Pro more price friendly and OPPO Reno2 is more costly. And I'm not surprised, when it comes to the features, OPPO Reno2 contains more. In this comparison, OPPO Reno2 wins. So tell me what you think about this comparison. You can drop your comments, like my video, share the videos, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I am your humble and simple guy, my HD. Hope to see you guys next time.